Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Barbara and today I am going to be doing my Boxycharm 2.0 unboxing. I know it's late, but I just got it yesterday to frame. Okay, my Boxycharm 2.0. I'm super excited and can't wait to get into it. So let's go ahead and see what we get. If I keep looking down, it's because the monitor is right there and it's easier for me to see. This is what it looks like. It's red and black. Pretty cool. The black felt pad works for me. This, if you don't know and are new to Boxycharm, this is a $25 a month subscription box. I believe you're supposed to get 5 full-size products, and I like it. I've been getting it since May. The brushes. Boxycharm 2-piece brush set is a retail value of $35. I would not pay $35 for those brushes. No way. Juice Beauty is our next one. Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Retail value of $50. I did try this. It felt kind of scratchy. This part here felt kind of scratchy against my eyes, but it did feel good. I mean, as you can see, I have aging eyes. I'm 53 years old, soon to be 54, and I'm not ashamed to say it. But I'll still use it. I mean, it felt good. I just didn't like the scratchiness on the applicator. And did I say that that one was 50 bucks? Okay, next is our Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. Pretty colors. Sorry, don't want to blind you. Let's give them a swatch and see how they feel. I'm swatching Fireball, Black Matter, and Zero Gravity. I am not good at swatching. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty colors. My rag here to wipe my hands off. Now let's try Lunar Eclipse, Storm Dust, and Lucid Dreams. Oh my God, look at that pink. Let's see. Let's try the blue one, Mystic Ice. And then Eternal Light. The Eternal Light doesn't really show up at all, and I am porcelain white. I've heard that from a few other videos I've seen, that they had trouble working with this one. It's a little shiny. I don't like the color enough to fight with it, so I don't know what color we're going to use. But let's move on. I'll do this afterwards. And this one, Dominique Cosmetics, $35. Not bad for a $25 box. Right here pays for your box. Next in my box is Morning Google Eye Mask. Brighten, Protect, and Evening Google Eye Mask. These are retail value of $12 for the two. I don't know about that one, but let's stick it back here. One more thing in the box, which is this Dose of Colors and the shade Flirty. Awesome. I was hoping for that one. And this has a retail value of $18, which is pretty cool. I'm going to wear that one actually right now. In the box. So, here we go. We're going to start our try-on. I'm going to move my mirror. I'll try and keep it out of the way and try and look up as much as I can. I'm going to start with the lipstick. Super pretty color. Bear with me. I'll learn to do this and... Oh, there goes my mirror. And try not to block my way so you can still see what I'm doing. It's sort of like a pinky nude. It's pretty. Not bad. One dip covered my whole lip. Nice color. I like it. I like it, I like it. It feels creamy. It doesn't feel drying or anything yet. We'll see once it dries down what it feels like. I am gonna go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow. What do I want to start with? You know, I tend to always go for the oranges because I like them. I don't know if I can pull a pink look together with these colors. How about we try the blue, black matter, and zero gravity. Outside of my comfort zone. Now I am plagued with hooded eyes from aging. When I was younger, I didn't have that, but so now I'm learning to deal with aging, hooded, mature eyes. But it's all good. We all can't stay 23 years old for the rest of our lives. I would rather be my age anyway, because I know so much more than I did when I was 23. This is the first time I've used this kind of color. It's going on easy. It's blending pretty easy. I'm going to try and keep my mouth closed. This is a Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. I think I'm going to go to a smaller one if I have one. I don't know if I have a smaller one. I have small hooded eyes, so it's hard to find. I'm going to go into this one here on my outer corner. Pulling it up so it doesn't make my eyes and my hood look even more droopy. In an attempt to make my eyes look more wide awake. I want to make it a little darker. Not too much, but a little. There's always this one spot on my eye that never wants to take shadow. I don't know if you can see it right there. It just never wants to take any shadow. If I pat, if I pull, if anything, it just doesn't want to take shadow. Okay, what shade do I do? How about I try blue? I've never worn blue, so we are going to give it a shot. I'm going to go in with, see, there's the whole opposite thing, this color right here, with a flat packer brush. Oh, there goes the fallout. I gotta bring more of my brushes down. I did prime my eyes and set up my concealer, because if I don't, where I have hooded eyes, it just transfers. It transfers most of the time anyway, but it happens less when I set my concealer on my eyes. Going in with the smaller, this one is a e.l.f. smudge brush. See, you can see it right there. No matter what I do, it never wants to take pigment. If any of you know any tips that will help me get my eye to take pigment there, I would love it if you would leave it in the comments down below. It's so super frustrating, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to get it to take pigment. It doesn't matter which eyeshadow I use, it's the same. So if any of you know, please let me know. I would be forever grateful. Sorry, I get a runny nose. Yep. Got eyeshadow there. A little bit of ColourPop No Filter concealer. Wipe off my brush and try and fix my boo-boo. Okie dokie. I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I don't really do much to them. I just use the Gimme Brow by Benefit in number 3 just to fill them in a little bit. Sometimes I go into the, full on, fill them in and make them look like there's something there, but most of the time I don't. Like if I'm going somewhere special, then yeah, I'll do the whole fill-in thing, but these are the brows that God gave me. Okay, I will be right back with my liner and lashes on, and that will complete the look. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I have my mascara and my liner on. I put my hair down. I use the Physicians Formula Sexy Booster on the top. I use the Maybelline Master Skinny on the bottom because this is the only one besides Smashbox that does not irritate my eyes. They are super, super sensitive, so I can use this and the Smashbox. Nothing else I can use on the waterline because it just irritates the crap out of my eyes. I use the Big Ego by Tarte as my first coat of mascara. And I use the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One as my second coat. I like this one a lot because it separates, it lifts and separates. I used my Physicians Formula highlighter, these shades up here, because like I said, I'm porcelain, super fair, so I always use the lighter shades as my highlight. And I had to blend out the shadow from the Dominique Cosmetics with the Athena palette, this color right here, Purity, because the other one, Dominique Cosmetics, didn't have a shade that I could blend out the eyeshadow light enough. So I used that. And I am going to use Smitten. Well, maybe I'll mix Smitten and Lovejoy. Maybe I'll mix this one and this one as my blush. And this is Profussion Blush 2. I like this a lot, actually. It's pretty good. And I'm just going to go between the two, tap it off, and put some blush on, and then I'll be done. And I am using the brushes we got last month. These are the Farrah brushes. It's the first time I've used them. I like the handle, but I don't really like the brush too much. But not bad for a $25 subscription. So that's it. The final look with my Boxycharm for this month, the month of November 2019, our stellar Boxycharm 2.0. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and hit the notification bell, hit the all button so that you're notified when I upload new videos. Glad that you gave me a few minutes of your day. I really appreciate spending the time with me. I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy lives to check out my video. And have a blessed day. Have a good one. And I will see you in my next video.